Hello, everyone. This is Nenad speaking, and welcome to our weekly Trading Ideas webinar. Well, guys, we started off this week with a great GBP CAD trade, which we have already scaled out and have profits you can see here on the account. And also, we have Euro Yen. So, Euro Yen is running. I think that there will be a continuation trade towards 126.56, eventually 126.40. Also, guys, we see that most of our trades have had big success ratio due to also combination of Marimat, one method, and the other one, Black Widow, which I use for generating signals. We also have a very good GBP CAT. We already completed the trade with scaling out, so our trade now is risk-free. And the final trade that I forgot, unfortunately, to make was Euro Yen, also based on the 88.6, but unfortunately, and Marimat, but unfortunately, I missed this also opportunity. But I'm running Euro Yen, and I see that Yen now is getting some love from the market. So actually, I think that this trade is going to be very, very nice, which it is. Our ecsLIVE signal performed very, very well. We can see the big numbers here. It's around 30% the profits, constant profit, very small drawdown, very good trade setups, and I hope that this is going to continue. You can see here, guys, everything is transparent. We have a live account, corporate account, and everything is working as intended. Okay. So you should be happy with signals, but for all of you who are not there with us on my trading room, guys, well, then I will tell you that I expect dollar yen continuation further down towards 104.48. There is a possibility. I'm also looking now, guys. Well. Let's see. Yeah, no trade here. I'm looking for potential Euro Australian dollar long, but you know what? The market is there at support. So what I want to see now, let me check something for our time frame. Yeah, I want to see now a rejection. So maybe I will go Euro Australian dollar long soon, because here we see a double, triple bottom. Here there could be a rejection from this level, guys. And I think that I'm going long right now. So I'm going long right now. Not a big risk on trade. Stop loss is placed here below this low. So yeah, and this is what I always do. I'm writing my trade to my ECS trading group. So I'm buying euro Australian dollar, very small risk, 0.5% risk, 1.5615 to 25. Stop loss is 55.60. So we need to place a stop loss below this level of overshot zone, because market can get like this. So 55.60, and the target here is effectively, guys. Well, I think if the market goes up 57, 50, 58, 10, but it can even go high. I would say 57.50, let's say, for starters. Okay, so this is my trade. You can see I traded now here live. Always add the spread to your stop loss. So 59.58 is my stop loss. Okay, let me write this down. So okay, you got this. You are lucky to have this trade during my webinar now, although usually doesn't happen, right? So this is it, 57.50. Okay, this method is based on Marimat, and yeah, I teach this only privately. There is no course for these guys. For ecsLIVE signals, you can sign up here, services, Forex and CFD here, the live service. You go there, guys, and you can actually sign up for the service, or you can also purchase my Black Widow. And the last thing is gold. I will go short gold, which could sound maybe a little bit strange, but I will go short when the market comes to 50, 1855, 1855 to 1865. This is where my short will get probably activated on a change of the candle. So I hope, guys, that you enjoyed. You also got one entry here for free because, well, you were there right on time. And let's see how we will end up. At this point, guys, we are very positive. And, well, you can see by our trades and accounts that we are really doing a very good work. Thanks, everyone. See you very soon. Cheers, guys. Trade safe. Talk soon.